SPSU was established in 2007. It's a sustainability-driven university. It is sold to the concept of education, affordable education, education for all. And there are programs in the area of management and engineering and liberal studies. So the world is changing very fast. So from a rapid change to a transformational change to a constant change, I think we are seeing change moving faster than anything that we see today. And one of the things that we can see today is for decision making, for any big business, for any global crisis, it's the data. So in the recent, if you look at the pandemic that happened, the kind of data aggregation that was done, the kind of vaccine that were created, the way the data was shared between different countries, I think is commendable. So I think we are going to see a new world where data is taking a lot of, people bring together, new ideas are coming up, a lot of innovations revolve around data. So world problems can be resolved. Even if you look at the geopolitics, I think data is solving a lot of world crises even in the geopolitical environment. So be it health, be it banking, be it any other sector or manufacturing or sustainable sector, or for example where SPSU is coming from, which has been established by JK Cement, in that entire cement industry, you see data is playing a role almost in every individual's life today. So at SPSU, we offer programs in the area of data analytics for management students. So in that, through this robust collaboration and partnership with SAS, I think what is most important is the training aspect and then of course the global certification. So soon after the completion of the course, the students would be more employable, and not only that, they were going to build a career around it. So I think that the analytic mindset is what is important. So whether it is data visualization or handling big data, I think it is most important is the training component. So right from the beginning of the courses, the SAS certification and the training, which is bringing a lot of knowledge into the classroom. And similarly, the library and the infrastructure and a lot of intellectual capital is built around it. And so definitely, be it research, be it training, be it placement, it is really improving the way the students perceive their careers in future. I think global certification provides them that edge. So it is extremely important that this kind of certifications can be promoted in most universities and higher education institutions. If you look at even in India, the entire national education policy that we have been talking about is so important that you bring in and help students to become future ready professionals. And India being a young nation where we are going to have large number of youth population, I think this is going to be a great advantage to them. And so if I look at currently companies which are coming to us, the tech companies like Tech Mahindra or HCL and others who have visited our campus or Wipro, they are all really taking students who have such certifications. At SPSU, we chose SAS, which is already a globally recognized certification, which are used with number of institutions, with corporate, government and different bodies. So I think through that it is going to give a lot of employability push to the students, young learners who come out of the university are future ready for the kind of skills that are needed by the industry. It's a very important partnership for SPSU. The SAS-SPSU partnership, I'm sure, will bring in great learning, not only for its participants as students within the campus, but I see through MDP programs, through faculty development programs, we are going to create a large array and pool of experts who can be even trainers, who can be professionals, who can be practitioners. So, and also what I see that in the different industries which are now sending professionals for training within the university, I think this would be a very interesting certifications that we can offer, and they would be coming from diverse industries to the campus. And finally, what I feel is there is going to be a huge research scope that this collaboration will take in. So a lot of work can be done in partnership, SAS, SPSU partnership, coming up with very good research, impactful research work, come out with even new areas. For example, having some patents, some of the new ideas that has come in to solve the real world problems.